little babies. Two more little babies were born. Wow, they're tiny. Look how tiny they are. So cute. They almost look human-like before their wings. 2 legs, 2 arms. Hi, Mama. Good job, Mama. I don't know what happened, but the little baby got put down there. I have to try to rescue it. He's still alive. I don't know if they notice. But she's still down there. Come on, honey. I'll do what I can. She's still alive. I think I can get her back in there. She's sleeping right now. If I take a spoon, I think I can get her back up in there. I got her back in. I hope she's okay. She looks like she's still moving. I have no idea how she got down there, but I just used a spoon to get her. I hope she's okay. Come on, baby girl. They might have actually been looking for the baby. I'm not sure though. But she's back. They look like they're both moving. I'm very grateful to help save a life. That was very nice. Oh, I'd never want to see him die. So, I guess that's the way God is too, you know. We just don't know any better, and He knows best what to do. And sometimes we just have to trust that and let Him take care of us, because we're like these birds and we just don't know. So I'm happy to have helped them reunite their baby.